Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free emoticons after 80 millions founders identified, and now founders exceed about 80 millions. And before FC Mobile arrives at September 26, 6 days from now, you can get this free unlock after reaching 80,000 founders. This is a unique emoticon that you can share to your opponent. Let's tap free and expire 6 days. Before expire, please claim it. Go to founders live event, tap continue, and I've got this. So let's get back to main page. Go tap the setting button, this one, select emotes, tap, and this one, yes founder, I want to go with this, replace and attach this. Please tap confirm and setting update. So please claim the free emoticon from founders live events. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.